Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a missing toolbar in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet only to find that your toolbar has vanished, don't worry. This is actually a simple issue to resolve, and I'll walk you through two quick methods to bring it back. First, let's talk about what's happening here. You can see that the toolbar at the top of the screen, which normally contains all your formatting options, formulas, and editing tools, is completely missing. This can be frustrating when you need to make quick edits or apply formatting to your spreadsheet. The fastest way to fix this is with a simple keyboard shortcut. Click on any cell in your spreadsheet to make sure it's active. Once you've done that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F on your keyboard. This keyboard combination toggles the toolbar visibility, and as soon as you press it, your toolbar will immediately appear at the top of the screen. All your formatting tools, functions, and options will be back where they belong. Here's something useful to know: if you press Ctrl plus Shift plus F again, the toolbar will disappear once more. This shortcut essentially acts as a toggle, allowing you to show or hide the toolbar whenever you want. This can be particularly handy if you're working on a smaller screen and need more space to view your data, or if you accidentally hit the shortcut and want to quickly reverse it. Now, there's another way to fix this issue if you prefer using your mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. Look at the top right corner of your Google Sheets window. You'll notice a small arrow pointing downward. Click on this arrow and it will expand the toolbar, making it appear again. This arrow icon is designed specifically for controlling the toolbar visibility, giving you a visual way to toggle it on and off without memorizing keyboard shortcuts. Both methods work instantly and give you full control over your toolbar visibility. Whether you prefer keyboard shortcuts for speed or clicking buttons for simplicity, you now have two reliable ways to bring back your missing toolbar whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.